Welcome to Erin Lee and Friends.
Hey actors! Part of being a performer is learning how to respond and react naturally and organically without overthinking. This is one of my very favorite warm-up games that gets you reacting and responding, and you can play it with a friend in person or virtually.
Today I'm playing with my friend Ivy. Are you ready, Ivy?
Ready. The challenge is to act out an easy task, something you do all the time. But remember the KISS rule, keep it simple, silly.
Your task can be something really general, something that's easy to act out that you do every day. Or, if you want to make your game a little more interesting, you can give it a theme.
Today, our game is going to have a theme. Celebrate winter!
That means all our tasks will probably involve being chilly or keeping cozy. Start by acting out something simple. When your friend asks, "What are you doing?" say something completely different. Ivy, what are you doing?
I'm eating hot soup. Then it's their turn to act out what you said. When you ask them what they're doing, they'll say something else equally silly. What are you doing?
I'm shivering in the snow. Ivy, what are you doing?
Help! Oh, I'm sledding down a hill. Oh. What are you doing?
Tree! Tree! I'm making snow angels!
What are you doing?
I'm putting on my gloves. What are you doing?
I'm catching snowflakes on my tongue. What are you doing?
I'm putting on my coat. What are you doing?
Now that you know how the game is played, go play it. And don't forget to take a bow.
Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you've performed one of our songs, email us. We'd love to hear about it. Our concerts are posted on our webpage and all our social media pages. The links are in the description box right below. See you next time.